Hello everyone. This video is brought to you by Newton's Group of Institutions. I am Arvind Egireddy from Department of CSE. In this video, I'll be talking about types of computing environment. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. What is computing environment? When we want to solve a problem using a computer, the computer makes use of various devices which work together to solve a problem. There may be various types to solve a problem. We use various number of computer devices arranged in different ways to solve different problems. The arrangement of computer devices to solve a problem is said to be as computing environment. In formal way, we can define as computing environment is a collection of computers which are used to process and exchange information to solve various types of computing problems. Now let us see the types of computing environment. There are various types of computing environments: personal computing environment, time sharing computing environment, client server computing environment, distributed computing environment, grid computing environment, cluster computing environment. Now let us see the first one, that is personal computing environment. In the personal computing environment, there is a single computer system. All the system processes are available on the computer and executed there. The different devices that constitute a personal computing environment are laptops, mobiles, printers, computer systems, scanners, and etc. Now coming to the second one, time sharing computing environment. The time sharing computing environment is a standalone computer in which a single user can perform multiple operations at a time by using a multitasking operating system. Here, the processor time is divided among different tasks, and this is called as time sharing. For example, a user can listen to the music while writing something in a text editor. Windows 95 and later versions of Windows OS, iOS and Linux operating systems are example for this computing environment. So here, the processor time which is shared among multiple users simultaneously is also termed as a time sharing. That is, many people located at various terminals to use a particular computer system at the same time. Now coming to client server computing environment. In the client server environment, it contains two machines. One is a client machine and the other one is server machine. These both machines will exchange the information through some application. Here, the client is a normal computer like PC, tablet or mobile, etc. And a server is a powerful computer which stores huge data and manages the huge amount of files and emails, etc. So in this environment, client requests for data and the server provides the data that is being requested by the client. So in the client server environment, the communication between the client and server is performed using HTTP, that is Hypertext Protocol. And coming to the distributed computing environment, in the distributed computer environment, the complete functionality of the software is not on a single computer, but is distributed among multiple computers. Here we use a method of computing process in which different programs of an application run simultaneously on two or more computers. So these computers communicate with each other over a network to perform the complete task. So in a distributed computing environment, the data is distributed among different systems and the data is logically related to each other. That is, a distributed system allows resource sharing including software by systems connected to the network. Coming to grid computing environment, grid computing is a collection of computers from different locations and all these computers work for a common problem. A grid can be designed as a distributed collection of large number of computers working for a single application. That is, the grid computing is a group of network computers which work together as a virtual supercomputer to perform a large task. Whereas, coming to the cluster computing environment, a computer cluster is a set of loosely or tightly coupled computers, so that work together so that they can be viewed as a single system. So here in cluster computing, it is a collection of interconnected computers. So these computers work together to solve a single problem. That is, in a cluster computing environment, a collection of systems work together as a single system. Thank you all.